Okay, just finished straightening my hair. Again, this is why I really like these bundles. I don't know about that one. That one felt awkward. Okay guys, this is the final makeup look. I literally just finished doing my makeup.
So beautiful and nice and pretty and funny. Happy birthday! Yeah! Ooh,
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, All About Ash. Today is kind of, I was gonna say a special vlog, but sorta not really. We're not doing anything special, but it's special because it's my birthday. So today is January 31st. It is my birthday, and I'm just pretty much gonna be getting ready to go out to dinner with the girls. I honestly wasn't gonna plan anything, but they decided that they want to do dinner. So we're gonna do that. Well, I'm not doing anything on the day of my birthday, but we already planned to go to Vegas like in 2 weeks. So yeah, today I wasn't gonna do anything, but we're going to dinner. So that's what we're gonna be getting ready for in this video. I think we're gonna start with hair first. I actually relaxed my hair, what was it? Like a week ago, I think. I don't even know. I think it was like a week ago. And I straightened it a little bit just so that I could get my ends clipped a little bit. Not too much, we just kind of dusted the ends. And today we're going to be installing this Upart wig that I actually made. This is my second time ever making a wig, but my first time ever making a Upart wig. So these are actually my favorite bundles. I wore these last year around my birthday too, and I got these bundles maybe 3 years ago, I want to say. So I just still had them, and I bought this net off of Amazon, and I just sewed the hair onto the cap by hand. I tried to use a sewing machine, but it just wasn't working out, so it took me like a day and a half to do. I cut out the rest of the top, and for today I'm actually just going to be installing clips, which I think I left in the bathroom, so 1 second. Literally took me forever to find these. They were actually in my makeup case. Don't know why, but these are the clips that I have. With these clips, you don't necessarily have to sew them on to the unit. They have these little parts right here where you can just kind of hook it into the U part. I find like these are a quick fix because later on for Vegas, I'm actually gonna sew this down. But today I don't feel like sewing it because I'm just wearing it for today. So I'm just gonna add a couple of these clips. I already added 2 on both ends. And I'm gonna put, I think 2 right here and maybe 1 in the back. Also getting my tripod up for my table because I'm going to be filming some TikToks. So if you guys see me looking over here, that's why. I think I'm going to film my hair and makeup for both YouTube and TikTok. I'm going to go ahead and clip on these clips, and then I guess we'll be ready to install. I'm just going to put my hair like in a little ponytail. You'll see it. Okay, so I just added 2 additional clips, so now it's a total of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mainly along the sides. I feel like the back should be fine if I need to. Maybe I'll just add a clip, you know what? Since my hair is straightened, I feel like I could use a bit more security. So yeah, I'll just add the 5th clip. Okay, got the 5th clip. Now we're just going to situate my leave out. I'm only gonna do the top and the sides. Okay, I just adjusted y'all because I need to put my mirror in front of me. I don't know if this angle is weird, but it'll work for now. So we're just gonna part out my leave out. Okay, now that all my leave out is out, I'm just going to take the rest of my hair. So take these clips out, and pretty much I'm just gonna put it into a low bun. My hair is relaxed and it's straightened, so it's already pretty flat as far as the foundation. So I'm just gonna try to keep this bun as flat as I can. And then I'm just gonna take some bobby pins, and I'm gonna split my ponytail into 2 and just pin my hair down. This really doesn't have to be perfect. And then take the other side, and we're just gonna pin that flat too. Now that the hair is pinned down, we're just gonna take the clips of the unit and clip it on. This wig cap already came with kind of the bra straps in the back, so I'm also gonna tighten it that way. And yeah, honestly, this is pretty simple, pretty easy. There's really nothing hard about this style. I'm just gonna start with the back clip, then move over to the right side, and then we're gonna do the left side. Okay, and pretty much the unit is on. I'm gonna take the two little bra straps and I just hook them together. There's actually spots on the wig cap where you can hook it to the wig cap, but I just sort of interlock them and that's it. That actually feels, yeah, that's really secure. So now I think I'm just going to straighten this unit. This hair doesn't really have layers in it, just a little bit from the last time I wore it. But honestly, I really like this hair straight, so I don't know, I'm really debating on if I even want to cut layers into it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten it, and then that's honestly pretty much it for the hair. This is why I love Uparts, because they're so quick and easy, but also they just look the most natural to me. So yeah, we're just gonna straighten my hair, fast forward through this part, and then we're going to get into my makeup. Just finished straightening my hair. Again, this is why I really like these bundles. These bundles are from Choice Hair Co. I will tag them in the description box. But also why I feel like this hair came out especially good today is because on my actual hair and on the bundles, I use the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo with the Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. These, I'm almost out of the conditioner, as you guys can, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's almost empty. These I've been using on my actual hair lately and I've really been liking it. And since I like these bundles so much, I decided I would use it on the bundles too. I feel like it came together really nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of this wax stick. This is just a random one just to help with flyaways. I'm just gonna add a little bit at the top and I'm just gonna rub it in a bit. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Aura S Olive Oil Frizz Control and Shine Glossing Hair Polisher. And I'm mainly focusing it on the bundles and a little bit at the top where my hair is. Okay, and I feel like that's it for now with hair. I might come back and do a little bit of edge control on the top of my edges. Actually, I'm gonna go in the bathroom and probably cut the end of the hair, maybe like right here, just so it's like a blunt cut. And then we're gonna move on to makeup. Okay, so my mom and my dad got me a cake for my birthday, and I wanna do a cute transition for TikTok, or a cute TikTok transition, I should say. I have two options, so you guys kind of get the behind the scenes. And then like the transition is blowing out the candle, but then we also have this one. Wait, make a wish, blow up dead like a candle. I'm too hot for you to handle. So I think I'm gonna just do both of them and I'll decide which one I want to use. Okay, so the before is like this. The only thing that's done is my hair. And then I'm gonna blow the candle and it's gonna transition to me hair, makeup, and outfit on. And then of course I'm gonna put on some more of my Summer Fridays lip butter balm in the, let's say in the shade, and the scent or the flavor vanilla. I think it's the flavor. Flavor and scent, whatever. I don't know about that one. That one felt awkward. Let's try that again. Maybe I will do the front camera so I can see myself. Let's see. Last time I'm gonna light this candle. Let's see that one. It didn't blow out. That was cute. Okay, then now we're gonna do the last sound. Should I light it like, wait, make a wish, blow a bag like a candle? I think that's cute. Wait, make a wish, blow a bag like a candle. Was that the perfect one? That was actually pretty good, but let me do one more. Wait, make a wish, blow a bag like a candle. Okay, we got the first part done for the TikTok. I hope it comes out good. If you guys want to see how the TikTok actually comes out. Make sure you guys are following me on TikTok. But I'm about to do my makeup and I'm gonna just put like some music over this part and let you guys watch. I'll put the products I'm using on the screen. It's about 4:52. I'm gonna be done with my makeup about 6 o'clock. So about an hour. So yeah, I'll catch you guys once my makeup is all done. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm out of breath. I usually keep my makeup really simple. I think I might do a little bit of eyeshadow today. I still don't really know what I want, but we'll see. We'll get it together.
I'll come and stop by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. Buying for your fucking hair. Too early for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress, so bring your ass up them stairs. I buy you shit because you wear it, impressed because you know I care. Bitch, you know you love it here, that's why you keep on coming there. Your nigga can't compete, I swear. He tried but now he look too weird, baby. I'll come and stop by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. Finding for your fucking hair. Too early for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair.
Okay guys, this is the final makeup look. I literally just finished doing my makeup, got dressed, finished the transition for that TikTok. Out of breath again, but I'm about to get ready to go. But this is pretty much the final look. Like I said, I do like the hair. I think my makeup came out good. Could have done some things different, but I like it. So I'll catch you guys at dinner.
In this mansion, I'm Macaulay Culkin, paid in full, I'm a high fight. Know you're tired, we just did dinner for 3 hours, lying to me all night. Buying being Spencer's out of spite, paid 100, ran in something light. Simple price to keep them out my life. Booby trap, we need a business office. Magic City need a business office. 29, I keep a business office. I'm in love with Houston, Dallas, Austin. Till you got the whole.
Cheers to a new year, more life and girlfriends. More life. Cheers.
Don't call me. Major distribution labels call me. Bad Bunny numbers, it's a robbery. 500 million just for Aubrey. Yeah, major distribution, how I poppin'. Mention me to be the hottest topic. Same place you sing your bitches shopping. Go stupid, go stupid.
So good. That's amazing.
Okay, okay, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid. Okay, nigga try to play the shit like play it cool, play me like I'm sweet. Fucking on the op, nigga bitch. Say she missed the goals in my teeth. 4L shit.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Ashley.
Yes. Thank you so much, Kayla. Thank you guys for coming. I appreciate you all.
Thank you for being in our lives.
Okay, I had my dress on. You just couldn't really see it in the shot. But I'm back from dinner. I actually had a really good time. That was my first time ever going to that restaurant. Super good. We had the mussels as like an appetizer. 9 out of 10. What else do we have? Espresso martinis, 10 out of 10. Really good espresso martinis. And then I had the New York strips, 8 out of 10. Really good. But overall, I feel like I had a really good birthday. I enjoyed spending it with the girls. They actually planned the birthday dinner because I wasn't going to do anything. And then I found out that Kobe ended up covering our dinner, so that was really sweet of him. But I just want to come on and close out the vlog. I had a really good birthday. So happy that I could spend it with my friends, and yeah, I'm glad that you guys were able to come along and spend my day with me. But that is pretty much the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me, going out to dinner with me. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video because soon we're going to Vegas. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.